Good morning and welcome back to the Python revision classes in class 12. Myself Roji, your IP teachers. Today I'm going to give you revision classes of Python. In Python, we have already discussed the different type of concepts. In previous classes, we have discussed statement, comment, and expression. Today, we will going to discuss the variable, constant, and data type in Python. What do you mean by the variable? Variable means it is a name location used to store data in memory while the program is running. Means name memory storage locations. When we declare a variable, means the variable that define, suppose we have defined integer variables, then the in spaces for integer data types are reserved for that particular variable. Variables, it is a named location, named storage location, and constant is a fixed value. Constant is a fixed value, and the value of variables will be changed during the executions of program. Suppose we have assigned n1 equals to 10, means n1 is a variable's name and value assigned in n1 is 10. Second one, n1 equals to 30, means this n1 value is replaced by 30, and n1 equals to ABC. Again, n1 value is replaced by the ABC. Means the value of variables will be changed in the programs. First, now we will discuss the assigning value in a variables. How we assign the value in a variable. There are three ways for assigning the value into a variable. Simple, first one is simple assignment, means single assignment. We use a equals to 10, means the value of a equals to 10. A equals to ABC, means we assign ABC just like string value into a variable B. Again, multiple assignment. Multiple assignments can be performed in two ways. First one is assigning the same value in different variables. Assigning the same value in different variable means a equals to b equals to c equals to 10, means value 10 is assigned on a, b, c. In this expression, the value of a, b, and c will be the 10. Another way for assigning the value into variable is assigning multiple value in different variables. Multiples value means suppose four variables a, comma, b, comma, c, comma, d equals to 10, comma, 20, comma, 30, comma, 40. Means here the value of a, b, c, d equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Means different value can be assigned on different variables. Variables name and value both are separated by the comma, and we use equal to operators to assign the value into a variable. Next, we will discuss the data type. Means data type, it is a means to identify the type of data and related operation. There are two types of data type in Python. First one is immutable data type and second one is mutable data type. In immutable data type means value cannot be changed, but in mutable data types value can be changed. Immutable data types are number, string, tuples, and the mutable data types are list, dictionary, sets. Now we will consider the numeric data types. We will discuss the numeric data type. In Python, there are three types of numeric data types: integer, float, and complex. Integer data type is used to store the integer value. Integers data types used to store the integer value, and float data types used to store the decimal value. In same way, complex number is used to assign the complex imaginary value. Integers data type in Python, integer data types are binary value, octal value, decimal value, and hexadecimal value. Means integer data types store only the integer value. Integers may be binary, integers may be decimal, integer may be binary, integers may be decimal, integer may be octal, and integers may be hexadecimals. Now, float data types. Float data types, it is a data types used to store the decimal value. Decimal value means point value. Float data types, it is used to store the decimal value. And complex number, complex data type, we use the imaginary value. Complex number consists of complex number is written in the form of a plus ij. 3 plus 4j means this value is known as the complex numbers, and complex number consists of the two parts. One is the real part and other one is the imaginary part. Python has a mechanism to handle the imaginary value. Next, we will discuss the Python data type string means string data types. String data types means anything that enclosed within the single quotes or double quotes known as the strings. And there are only one operations performed in the string data types. And these operations are the plus operation. Plus operation perform the concatenation work in string means Gyan suppose Gyan is an example of string data type. And string data type enclosed between the double quotes or single quotes. If the numeric value is enclosed between the double quotes, it is considered as an string data types. And if we perform the operations plus operation along with the numeric value that enclosed between the double quotes, it will give the concatenation value. Means if A equals to 1 and B equals to 1, if we write C equals to A plus B, we perform the 1, 2, means the concatenations of A and B. Actual operations cannot be performed in the string value. Actual operation is performed on the numeric value. So if the value is enclosed between the double quotes, we consider that this value is string or text value. Next is a tuples data types. Tuples data types means the data types enclosed between the small brackets and separated by the comma. Small brackets and separated by the comma. It is also known as the sequence data type because Here we maintain the sequence, and sequence consider from 0 to n minus 1. List data type. List data types enclosed between the square brackets, and each elements are separated by the comma. Each elements are separated by the comma. Example of list equals to this. This is an example of list. It is also a sequence data types, and we maintain the sequence. Sequence is started from the 0 to n minus 1, where n is the number of elements present in a list. And the dictionary is an collection. Dictionary is a collection of key and value pair. In dictionary, the value is separated by the comma, and each value is in the form of pair. Means pair value. Each pair value is separated by the comma, and the value key value is a unique in dictionary. Means one is the key value, and value for this key is Titania. Last name is a key value, and the value for last name is Singh. Age is a key value, and value for age key is 31. Means in dictionary the value comes in pair, and each pair is separated by the comma. Next data type is the set data types, and set data type, it is also known as the uni-indexed collections of data items. Means set is an also example of data types, but we will not discuss set in class 11 syllabus. And so students, in next class we will discuss the programming construct and program based on the programming construct. Thank you, student.